Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a fully working Pokemon Go spoofer for 2026. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. We got the joystick, we got the bar on the right side of the screen. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So as you can see, we got favorites, which are huge cities full of Pokemon, and we can actually go ahead and teleport to these guys, which is super cool. So as you can see, I just teleported. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it onto your device. You get all these settings here. As you can see, can change the speed our character walks, so it's super cool. So if you want to download it, guys, all you got to do is go ahead and go to this website right here. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So once you're on this site, guys, you're going to see a number of apps which are all modded. So type in Pokemon, and as you can see, guys, here is the Pokemon Go spoofer. So go ahead and press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step to get it. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up, and we're going to be good to go. And you can see the Apple and Android, so it does work on both. So that is really cool, guys. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So I'm just going to let it download, and we should be all set, guys. So as you can see, it's coming up, and it's going to take us to that verification page. And all you have to do is download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files. So you're going to see all these apps. So just pick 2 of them, guys, download them, and you're done. So for instance, Match to Win says download and reach level 11. Travel Town says reach level 9. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to do it, guys. So you just press on the app, it takes you to the app store, you download it. So this one, I think it wanted me to reach level 11, so I just play through it, reach level 11, and I should be good to go. So that's how to get the spoofer, guys, for your device, and it fully works. So yeah, I gotta play this game or whatever. So it's pretty easy, but just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. And also go to settings and keep that low power mode turned off. And also make sure you got the background refresh turned on right here. And those are the only things you got to do. So this is super cool. So be sure to try it out. But that's how to get a fully working spoofer for your device. And it's legit and everything. So iPoGo, whatever it's called. But yeah, as you can see, all the apps here. So here's the website, guys, tweakmode.com. So definitely try it out for yourself if you like Pokemon Go, because this is updated and everything. It's really awesome, and I haven't had any problems with it at all. So just make sure you download it correctly, and you should be good to go, guys. You got so many settings in here. You know, favorites, you got the speed hack, the joystick. I mean, this is so unique, guys, as you can see. So I can turn that joystick on just so you guys can see this actually works. But yeah, it's really crazy, honestly, because I've had a lot of Pokemon Go life, but I haven't been able to like catch rare ones. So now I got the spoofer and I can get those rare ones. So that's really neat. So yeah, you can basically go anywhere with the spoofer. But yeah, that's the website, guys, tweakmod.com. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, as long as you download 2 of the apps, you're going to be good. And there is a video you can watch here, so if you're really confused, you can just watch the video. But yeah, this is updated. And that's the website, tweakmod.com. So try it out, guys. This is legit, and it fully works. So yeah, I mean, I've looked into spoofers all my time, and I found this is the best one. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, and peace out, my gang.